Hi everyone, in this video, we will show you how to run TikTok ads. First, open your web browser and go to the TikTok Ads Manager website. If you don't already have an account, click Sign Up and create your TikTok Ads Manager account using your email address and business information. Once you're signed in, click on Create Campaign to get started. Now choose the objective for your campaign. You can select goals such as driving website traffic, generating leads, increasing app installs, boosting video views, or making sales, depending on what you want to achieve. After selecting your objective, click Continue. Next, choose your target audience. Here you can select the locations, age range, gender, interests, languages, and other audience settings to reach the people most likely to be interested in your business. You can also create a custom audience or retarget previous visitors if needed. Once your audience is selected, move to the budget section. Here set your daily budget or lifetime budget depending on how much you want to spend on advertising. You can also configure your bidding strategy and campaign schedule. After that, choose the video you want to use for your ad campaign. Upload your video, add text, include a call to action button, and enter the destination website or landing page link. Make sure your video is clear, engaging, and optimized for mobile viewers. Then review all your campaign settings carefully. If everything looks correct, click Submit or Publish to launch your TikTok ad campaign. Once your ad is live, you can monitor performance, track results, and make adjustments from the TikTok Ads Manager dashboard. If this video helped you out, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.